Good afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows TV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're in the wonderful neighborhood of the Hotel Zone. We're going to take a tour of Maria Montessori 390, Condo 305. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, which measures 93 square meters, which is roughly 1,194 square feet. The asking price is $370,000 USD. And that, let me tell you, right here on the rooftop, it's currently under construction. So this is something that is typical during just before the rainy season starts. There is work that's being done. So the rooftop is being completely refurnished or refurbished. The pool's empty, but the views are pretty incredible. Like, you'll have mountain views of the Sierra Madre, almost 360 degrees. You have ocean views to the south and to the north as well. So it's a wonderful area. It's well walkable. There's so many things that you can do and enjoy here. So without further ado, like, my tripod is like tilting from this amazing breeze that we're getting. But like I was saying, let's get into the video so you can see exactly what you can expect from this condo and in this neighborhood. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, welcome to 305, unit 305 at 390 Maria Montessori. Walk in, created to a very light space. Right immediately, the door to my left, you'll find the laundry room where you have a stackable washer and dryer. Notice that there is a tankless water heater, which is really nice, and a sink. Oh, this is a great place to store your cleaning supplies. You can actually probably install some shelving so you can have additional storage space, but it's a great space for you to do laundry. Now, one thing I want to mention, there is a smart lock, so that's great for rentals, but there's also a security gate, which allows you to keep your main door open. And if you open up the back doors on the terrace, you'll have a nice cross-sectional breeze that will flow through and allow for you to keep the ACs off and enjoy a cool atmosphere. So that's a really nice touch that they allow you to have. All right, so as we enter, you notice the kitchen is immediately to the left. Very nice wooden cabinets, upper and lower, dual sink. And you do have a built-in oven over here, as well as a microwave, very nicely arranged. And so the oven's over here. And then you got your stove cooktop right by the island. So very well use of the space and makes it very convenient. Just to my right is one of 2 bathrooms. So this would be the guest bathroom. Now we'll take a look a little bit more once we go into the guest bedroom, which has been outfitted where you have 2 single beds and a third up top. So you got like a bunk bed situation, which is fantastic for families or people that are traveling in small groups. You can hold 3 people in this room comfortably. And each room is equipped with a mini split AC. And behind the door here is additional closet space. So you got ample storage closet space. In fact, it goes all the way up, so you can store luggage and any other knickknacks, whether it be linens or bedding, things of that nature. Okay, now that bathroom that I mentioned, you do have access directly from the room, which is very nice. You don't have to exit. There's a door that takes you straight to the bathroom. It's almost like an ensuite where you got your shower, you got everything that you need. All right. Now, just over here, the living room. Everything that you see here in the video comes with, it's fully furnished. So it's already set up for you. And you have this very large terrace. Let me open it up so you can see. Which comes with this really nice single seated, almost like a hammock, but like a half egg shape seat. Very comfortable and allows for you to sit out on your terrace and relax. You got your tables here as well. And just below us is a green space that's a common area that everyone has access to. And from here, you have mountain views. Like I mentioned earlier, we're in our dry season, coming towards the end of it. Next month, towards the end of June, it will start to rain, and this view will become something that you will enjoy for months on end. All right, now let's take a look at the primary. Quick note, there is an intercom system, so it allows you to allow guests in without having to come all the way downstairs. You can buzz them in. And here in the primary, you got a queen size bed, dual nightstands. And let me just orient the camera so you can see. This is the closet space. So it's really nice that you have higher up cabinets. You can keep your luggage or additional things that you want to put away. That's really nice. And a quick note, there is fiber to this building, so you have very quick and reliable internet. Just over here is your ensuite. Oh, this is your ensuite bathroom. So you have a towel rack. And that's it for this room. Again, there's another part of just behind the door, there's another closet. His and hers, or hers and hers, his and his, for you to enjoy. All right, as we exit the elevator, like I mentioned, they are currently doing some renovations to the rooftop, but what I want you to see is the views. So just to my right, this is one of two pools, one on the rooftop, there's one on the main floor as well. It's currently drained as they're doing some refinishing, but as we stroll along, you can see views towards the ocean. I can see peaks of the South Shore, as well as on the North Shore as we orient towards the north side of the building. Over here is where there's a gym, so we'll take a look at that as well. But notice, not only do you get ocean views, but you also get mountain views. Right now, it is our dry season, but in about a month and a half or so, when we hit the rainy season, this profile, this view will drastically change. You're gonna be experiencing rainforest-like, lush green atmosphere completely. And it will be a wonderful area or wonderful view as you relax and take in from the rooftop as a common amenity. So just gotta be careful because, like I said, they're actively working, but you can see what you can expect. Now, Some of the great things about this neighborhood is like the close proximity to markets. There's even parks just over here. You can get to meet the neighborhood. There's great local restaurants. Just over here is Gallerias. It's a mall. And right beside that, there's Walmart, there's a Sam's Club, all within walking distance. And just directly in front of me is the Marina. So if you want to take some trips or try any of the water tours, the Maria Galante, or formerly known as the Maria Galante, I believe it's now the Jolly Roger, which is the pirate ship. They dock from there. This is where you can get that ride or experience that tour and many others. So over here is the gym. So for those that want to stay active, you can do it in the comfort of your home with these exceptional views. Now that concludes our tour today here at 390 Maria Montessori Condo Unit 305. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, which measures 93 square meters, which is roughly 1,194 square feet. The asking price is $370,000 USD. And as you saw, it's a beautiful condo in the right location in the hotel zone, very walkable. You got great restaurants and not amenities, but attractions close by. This is something for someone who wants to live here partially throughout the year or year round or as an investment. So like it's super close to pretty much everything. So if this is something that you want to see in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching. Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.